The entire process of Ganesh Visarjan in Hyderabad has completed in the afternoon today, with about 45,000 Ganeshas being immersed in Tangband mostly, and in surrounding lakes of Hyderabad. So after this is completed, the next big challenge is to bring the roads of the city back to normalcy. That includes doing major road repairs, repairs to the physical infrastructure, and sanitation in big time. Apart from this, the lake cleaning has also begun immediately. The scrap is being auctioned by the Lake Maintenance Authority, that is Hyderabad Metropolitan Development Authority. So that process has also begun. The lake cleaning is underway. Around 4 amphibious vehicles have been deployed for this purpose, and around 100 vehicles will be carrying the waste from the lake to the disposal facility.